Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Todoist account in 2026. If you want to organize your tasks, manage projects, and stay productive with Todoist, this guide will walk you through the account creation process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Todoist website, or download the Todoist app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you're on the Sign Up page, click Sign Up or Get Started. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or email address. If you're using email, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Now click Create Account or Continue. If you're signing up with an email address, check your inbox for a verification email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, sign in to Todoist. You'll be guided through a short setup where you can choose your preferred language, theme, and notification settings. Next, create your first project by clicking Add Project, then give it a name. You can also create your first task by clicking Add Task, entering a title, setting a due date, and choosing a priority level. Finally, explore the dashboard to learn about labels, filters, reminders, and other features that can help you stay organized and productive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Todoist account step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.